Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at the Skytracker GPS drone. It's a video drone that is available from a variety of sources, but the most popular being Walmart. You can get this in store or you can buy this online, and it's about $100. On Amazon you might find it a little bit more expensive, but you can look through the vendors on Amazon and you will surely find one that sells this drone for about $99. So what are the characteristics of this drone? Well, the first thing is you can see that it has GPS video. It has a 1,000-foot flight distance, and this is in contrast to the prosumer drones from DJI, like the DJI Mavic Air 2, and those drones would go about 10 kilometers, which is about 32,000 feet. So they will go 32,000 times the distance this drone can cover. You can see also there's been a huge improvement on the hobby drone scene. Now you have up to 16 minutes of flight time, which is a great improvement. Other things to note is you have the follow me feature and return to home. And those two features are very, very important, especially in the hobby space, because usually the people using the drones are much younger and they haven't invested so much time to learn all the quirks and features of the drone. That way they can easily hit one button and then the drone returns to them. So here is the box. It's actually quite lightweight and it shows some of the features on here: GPS transmission, Wi-Fi app control, follow me, HD video. The high definition is 720p. Auto hover, so you have a one button hover. You hit one button and the drone would take off and hover. One key return, 1,000 feet, headless mode. So this drone also has an app which you can download, aid you in using the drone. Otherwise, if you don't have access to the app, you can actually fly it standalone using the remote that comes with the drone. This drone was first released in 2020. And we are now in 2022 and the drone is still on sale, so that tells me that they did something right, and that's why the drone is still enjoying so much popularity and sales. You can see once you open up the box, there's a booklet on top, then you have the clear plastic. Let's see if we can pull it out, and this is what everything looks like straight out of the box. So you can see it's well protected against bumps. What comes in there, you have this, it's taped. Do not return to store. I think if you have warranty issues, then you can send it directly to them. Then we have the drone in here. So this is a very popular gift if you have teenagers who are into active sports like dirt bikes, skating, any kind of physical activity where they would like to record themselves. This drone does the job very, very well. So here is the drone. Doesn't feel very heavy. I believe those are LED lights. It comes with a battery. It doesn't seem like it's fully inserted, so I'll try to pull it out. Yep, it wasn't in all the way. It should be a lithium-ion battery. That's what it looks like. There's some kind of connector here, if you guys can see. Maybe that's for data. I'm not sure, but the pins are exposed. The screws here on the side, they don't seem to have been pushed all the way in. If you guys can see, there's still quite a gap, so I don't know if mine is going to work well. The battery not totally in, and it seems almost unfinished. So here you can see the remote. These are all rubber dampers, you know, to protect the control. And we can pull out the control. That's what the controller looks like. They would usually have their batteries inbuilt. Has a little handle right there. See? And that's to hold your cell phone. Has a button up here. Return to home. And one here for pictures. And usually these controls down here would be for the gimbal. But it doesn't rotate though. I'm trying to move it, so I think you just have to press. Yeah, that would be for the gimbal. Alright, let's continue. What else do we have? That's the camera. It comes like a module, so I believe this is what plugs into this space right here. So that's a good thing, because the camera is modular, so it means you can improve the camera, get a better camera down the road. I like that. It has its own antenna, and this should be able to stream the 720p signal directly to your phone. I'm not sure what is front, what is back. Okay, I believe this is front. It's a bit bigger, so it should slide in somewhat like that. A little bit tricky. See if we can slide it in gently without breaking the suspension mechanism. It's really tricky. Am I doing that right? There you go. I got it in. Just have to be careful when pushing. And that, I presume, should go in like so. Hope I don't break anything. Boom. Okay, I think I have that figured out. As you can see, if I let it fly now, it's gonna land on the camera. So I presume there's going to be some sort of legs that should go here. So let's look for that. And the camera, you can see, you can tilt. There's a wheel right here where you can orient the camera like that. So I'll leave it like that. Okay, let's continue. In here you have directions for installing the landing gear and directions for installing the camera. You also have prop guards. Oops, how do I get to these? Just take your time when unboxing the drone. So I finally got everything out. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have a USB charging cord. You have a spare set of props, and right here you have the landing gear and the prop guard. So I am thinking, I'm not so sure. Yeah, this is not in all the way. but I'll mess with that later on. I'll get everything on there and then we see what we have to do next. Let's see if we can figure this out. Are these directional? No. There's one that's sliding. If you look carefully, you see they are different. So I would presume one goes in first, then the next one. Let's try with the sliding one in first. Nope, not that way. So you see how that is? One side is open, so I presume it goes in here and slides in. Oh, there's a locking mechanism. Yeah, it takes a while to figure it out. Okay, I see. Oh, it's marked. So here you have L for left. I don't know if that's visible. L for left and R for right. So let's presume the drone is like that. L for left will be right here. So that goes in first, I presume. Oh, like that. Then you turn. It's keyed. Like that, you turn. And then for the front, you press the little button here. So I got the first one in. The trick is that you have to press this little button, get the leg started, lift it up and push in. That way it clears that little stop that you see right there inside. Kind of hard to see here, but there's a locking mechanism in there which you might see. So you press this button and then you can get the leg in. Also, if you look right here, there's an R, so it's keyed and marked. So that would be for the right. So I can show you guys now how I did it. You take it outside first like that, in, twist, press that, and you press this button while lifting this up a little bit, and there you go, you release and it's locked in place. So we have the legs installed. Alright, this excess stuff, let's see here how we can get this installed. That way we don't crash. Take out the prop guards. Let's see if they have any marking. Nothing. No special markings. So I guess this should fit anywhere. See if we can figure this out. Okay, give me a few moments, I'll be right back. Pick up the drone, and right here you can actually pull those out like that. Oh, you see, it came out all the way, and then you can go ahead and install the guard. There you go, clicked in place. Go to the second one. You can see the little tab there that I'm pulling out, kind of dark, right there. Pull it out. Insert the prop guard. There, it's locked in place. Third one. Yeah, it would have been so much nicer if it came with everything installed. That way you don't have to second guess yourself, mess around with it. That's a third one. the fourth one now. Clicked in place. So that's what the drone looks like. Okay, we're still not done yet. You have to install AA batteries. It does not come with batteries. So 4 batteries, 2 to the left, 2 to the right. I'll just show you the compartment. And I still have to acquire the batteries. I have to run to town to get some batteries. Let's take a look here at what the compartment looks like. Okay, it's right there. I didn't lose it. So just be careful. That's what it looks like. And those would be for AA batteries, 1.5 volt. Okay. There. Another couple of 1.5 volt AA batteries. And then you'll be all set. That's the power button, GPS, return to home, take off, land, and down here is, I think it's attitude mode, like to fly indoors. So straight out the box, the battery has a little bit of charge, but not much. You can see how much battery charge it has. I had it on the charger for the past couple of minutes. So let's turn it off. Put it in there. Power up the drone. Again, remember, I haven't downloaded the app. This is just to show you how the drone powers up. I guess it's waiting to get connected to Wi-Fi, your phone, or the controller right here. So I'll go get some batteries and I'll be right back. Thanks for watching.